Welcome to Egler Insights, where we dive deep into the world of computer networking. Join us as we explore the latest trends, share expert insights, and unravel the complexities of networking in the digital age. I'm your host Olympio Moshi, and let's embark on this journey of connectivity, innovation, and all things IT. So today we are going to be talking about networking fundamentals. And under networking fundamentals, we have the following topics: overview of networking concepts, introduction to OSI and TCP/IP models, understanding IP addresses and subnetting, and lastly, we have basics of routing and switching. So under overview of networking concepts, we are going to be defining what networking is and what a network consists of. So networking is the practice of connecting computers and other devices to share resources and information. While a network consists of devices such as computers, servers, routers, switches, and various transmission media like cables or wireless signals. Next, we'll be covering types of networks. And there are various types of networks, and they include local area network, commonly referred to as a LAN. This is a network that covers a small geographic area like a single building or a campus. Secondly, we have a wide area network, commonly referred to as a WAN. This is a network that spans a larger geographic area, often connecting multiple LANs. Next, we have a metropolitan area network, commonly referred to as a MAN. This is a network that covers a city or a large campus. And lastly, we have a personal area network, commonly referred to as a PAN, which is a network that connects devices within an individual's workspace. Moving on, we are going to be talking about network topologies. And there are various types of network topologies, and they include bus topology. In this topology, all devices share a single communication line. Next, we have a star topology, and in this topology, devices are connected to a central hub. Next, we have a ring topology, and in this topology, devices are connected circularly. Next, we have a mesh topology, and in the mesh topology, devices are interconnected, providing redundancy. Lastly, we have a hybrid topology. In the hybrid topology, it involves the combination of two or more of the topologies discussed above. Next, we'll be looking at networking protocols. And what is a protocol? A protocol is a rule that governs network communication. Examples of networking protocols include Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol, commonly referred to as TCP/IP, and this is a fundamental suite of protocols for the Internet. Next, we have a Hypertext Transfer Protocol, abbreviated as HTTP, and its secure version, which is called Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, commonly abbreviated as HTTPS. And this protocol is used for web communication. Next, we have File Transfer Protocol, which is abbreviated as FTP. This is a protocol that is used for transferring files over a network. Next, we have the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, commonly abbreviated as SMTP. This is a protocol that manages email transmission. There are other protocols that I haven't mentioned here, and we are going to be looking more into them in the later stages of our podcast. Moving on, we're going to be discussing about IP addresses and subnetting. So what is an IP address? An Internet Protocol address is a unique number that is used to identify a device on the Internet. There are two types of IP addresses, namely Internet Protocol version 4, commonly referred to as IPv4 address. This is a 32-bit IP address. And then we have the Internet Protocol version 6, commonly abbreviated as IPv6. This is a 128-bit IP address. Then what is subnetting? Subnetting is the process of dividing an IP network into subnetworks to improve performance and security. Next, we'll be talking about wireless networking. And under wireless networking, we'll be defining what Wi-Fi is and what an SSID is. So Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that allows devices to connect to a network without physical cables. On the other hand, a service set identifier, commonly referred to as an SSID, is a unique identifier for a wireless network. Next, we'll be talking about network services, and some of the services that are provided on a network are domain name, system, or DNS services. And this is a service that is provided by a DNS server that resolves domain names to IP addresses. Next, we have the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP services, and this service is provided by a DHCP server that assigns IP addresses dynamically to devices on a network. There are other services that are provided on a network, such as email services, FTP services, and so on. We'll be talking more about those services on the later stages of our podcast. Next, we'll be dealing with network management. Under network management, we'll be talking about Simple Network Management Protocol and troubleshooting. So the Simple Network Management Protocol, commonly abbreviated as SNMP, is a protocol that is used for managing and monitoring network devices. When we talk about troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving issues on a network, often using tools like ping, traceroute, and network analyzers. Thanks for tuning in to our Computer Networking Podcast. Stay connected for more tech insights and updates. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep your networks strong. Peace.